Dave Stoblen here. We're solving compound interest formula, and in this particular case the problem says I invest $2,500 at 9% annual interest compounded monthly. How long until I have $2,800? Well, if the answer is how long, that means we're going to solve this equation for t. So let's go ahead and fill in all the other numbers that we know. I invest $2,500. That is the initial amount. 9% annual interest, so 1 plus 0.09. It's compounded monthly. We want to solve for t, and then we want to end up with, in the future, $2,800. So that's the equation we have to solve, and here's what we're going to do. First of all, we're solving for this t, which is in the exponent, and so we need to solve for this whole big chunk here. So 2,500 times this chunk, we can divide by 2,500. That cancels, and we'll get 1 plus, let's do the 0.09 over 12 to the 12 times t, and 2,800 divided by 2,500 is 1.12. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is this chunk in here, I can calculate that and get a number. So I'm going to do that on my calculator, and I'll find that that's 1.0075 to the 12t. Now we're kind of stuck here for a moment until we remember some math from Algebra 2. And you may remember that if you have a variable in the exponent, the way that you get that out of the exponent and out in front is by doing the log function to both sides. And if you do log, you can bring that out in front. So now we have the log of 1.12 equals 12 times t times the log of 1.0075. Okay? And now all we have to do is solve for t. So I propose that we divide both sides by 12, and we divide both sides by log of 1.0075. So that will cancel, and on this side we'll get t, and on this side you have to do the calculation like this. The log of 1.12 divided by parentheses 12 log 1.0075 double parentheses, and we'll get the answer 1.26. Now that's the number of years. So I'm just curious, if we wanted to find out how many months that is, we could multiply that by 12, and we'd get just a little over 15 months. So we're going to call that 16 months. So either one of those answers is correct and a good answer.